Greetings and welcome to Pinball Help. Mike here. And here we are with our really ugly Game Plan Sharpshooter II machine. I picked this game up for $100 and I really didn't even want to pay that much because it was in such bad shape. Look at the now the playfield's all shiny right now because I've got wax on it. But in the previous video I worked on the driver board because the slingshot and this lower pop bumper coil were roasted. So I ended up having to replace the primary driver transistors for those. So now I've thrown it back in the game. Let's fire it back up and see what we got. And there you go. Comes up. So let's check these coils. I'm not going to play a whole game because I just spread some wax on the playfield. But all right, so got all the flippers working. So there's our lower pop bumper. There's our slingshot. All right, so we've got them working. What? Did it just stop working on me? Oh, okay, no. How do you like that? Weird. Why is sometimes it register, but sometimes it doesn't pop? That's weird, huh? I'll have to check that. Maybe there's a loose wire. Weird. Yeah, I noticed it wasn't firing super rapidly, but great. One thing, and it's always something else. I've got a lot of little more things to do. There's some broken plastics. Obviously, the playfield is completely roached, but we want to get this thing in playable condition, and that's going to be the next objective. Maybe maybe one of these is closed. Let's see. Huh. That is weird. It worked and then it stopped working. All right. Always something. Let's take a quick look at that coil just to see. Oh yeah, look at that. It broke off. The wire broke off. Okay. I like it when it's a really simple problem. So the force of the thing just caused the wire to break. I'm a big fan of Occam's razor. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Right there. So this just broke off. So probably not soldered on very well. Probably my own doing, or it broke. So I'm going to fix that, and then we should get that back working properly. So there you have it. You know, it's another ongoing saga in repairing these machines. You never know what's going to happen. So onward. Anyway, stay tuned for more videos on this game as I continue to work on it. And thanks for watching. Woo! Don't knock over the tripod. Thanks for watching, and visit the website pinballhelp.com. Thanks.